Patuloy ang pagtitiyak ng AFP sa seguridad ng mamamayan sa bansa kasunod ng pagdedeklara ng Amerika ng global terror threat. Si Waywaya Makalma sa detalye.
Sa pagdeklara ng Estados Unidos ng Global Terror Alert, ng hukbong sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas na intensibo ang kanilang operasyon laban sa mga terorista na nasa bansa, partikular ang Jemaah Islamiyah. Ayon kay Lieutenant Colonel Ramon Zagala, patuloy nilang minomonitor ang mga matataas na lider ng grupong JI kahit bago pa man ilabas ang terror alert.
Our actions, even before this morning, has been geared towards that. We are intensifying our monitoring activities in order to preempt any of their planned actions to be conducted. Prior to all these things happening, we are closely monitoring activities of main JI personalities. And although I can't reveal to you the specifics of this monitoring, we have to also have a realization that terrorism is in our midst.
Hindi naman kinumpirma ng liderato ng AFP kung ang naganap na pagsabog sa Cagayan de Oro ay kagagawan ng mga terorista dahil ani ni Zagala hindi pa tapos ang investigasyon. Pero siniguro ng militar na nakaalerto sila gawin ng grupo.
With such actions, we have to alert our troops on the ground that they remain focused at the mission at hand, and that's to secure their respective areas of operations. And part of that is for them to be able to be a step ahead of any would-be attacker, terrorist, to sow fear and destabilize their area of operations.
Inabisuhan na rin ang bawat commander ng militar sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa na maging alerto upang tiyakin ang seguridad ng bawat mamamayan.
Even without this terror warning, or even without the CDO blast or any other terrorist activity, it is inherent among security forces together, both PNP and AFP, to ensure security of their respective area of operations. So even without these things, they should be able to step up and conduct security operations when needed.
August 2, idineklara ng Amerika ang Global Terror Alert matapos makatakas sa ilang bilanggo sa Libya na may link sa grupong Al-Qaeda. Para sa telebisyon ng Bayan, Waywaya Makalma.